Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Do we really need heavy trucks on the road?
Vittu. Jesus fuck.
This idiot was speeding and ran a red light and totaled 3 cars. This driver behind me is impatient and decides red lights don't apply to him. A selfish driver doesn't check their mirrors. Did he not see me? I guess I cut him off.
I'm not being a dick. I am pulling over. You got a problem?
You want to try to cut me off in traffic? I got kids.
You had the red light, you idiot.
I got kids, you little
You had the red light.
I'll eat your goddamn
You're on
soda.
camera, buddy.
I don't give a
You had the red light, idiot. It's a red light, you idiot. Why don't you show him a good example? Why don't you show him a good example? What the
On the way to drop the kids at daycare. This driver doesn't know the spacing of his own car. U-turn almost causes an accident.
Scared me. All right, just be careful, please. Thank you.
Apparently it's fries instead of bullets. They wanted to say hello? This driver comes to near stop to take exit last second. This truck driver doesn't let cars merge. Hit a new record, cut off 3 times in 10 seconds. This bus driver decides to take the space I gave for the tow truck. Too impatient to wait in stop and go traffic, so now he gets to stop and exchange information with the car he hit. This drunk idiot hit my wife and 2 other cars yesterday. Six left turns on red arrow through oncoming traffic in 2 minutes.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.